we didn't have the correct vehicles. The further challenge relating or one of the further challenges relates to the transportation and safeguarding of narcotics exhibits. The other challenge is there's also a shortage in terms of experienced, skilled investigators within the SANEP environment. In addition to this,
Sorry, Colonel.
Commissioner?
Could you, on that challenge relating to transportation, can you just elaborate a bit what in fact is the issue? And I ask because with a previous witness relating to the Potchefstroom, the testimony about the Potchefstroom drug bust, we were informed that the transportation involved a track and trace team, and I think made up of TRT members, if I'm not mistaken, and we're told that that is in fact proper, that's what happens. So when you say there's a challenge, what in fact is the concern there?
Commissioner, the issue is that, if I can start with the transportation first, I think you have indicated it correctly. Especially if you have a large consignment of exhibits that was taken. I think the good advocate related to or mentioned the issue of the street value of this exhibit. And then you have to make extra security and safety plans that you have to have in place to actually secure this exhibits when it's transported from point A to point B. Does that answer that part? Sorry, Commissioner.
I'm not quite sure. I think what, on the face of it, when you say there's a challenge relating to transportation, it would either suggest you don't have enough resources, as in people being available. If there's a track and trace, that's their job to do. You may be suggesting, possibly, that you find many times you don't have sufficient people to do that. It may be a concern about the vehicles, that you don't have specialized vehicles to transport those kind of things. So I'm trying to understand what practically is the concern, and is it a concern that is capable of being fixed, and if so, how? That's behind my question.
Thank you, Commissioner. Yeah, the issue is that for a long time we didn't have the correct vehicles. The DPCI has now obtained armored vehicles, which will make that a lot easier. And if I can take the Commissioner back into the time of this operation, remember it was during COVID times. And there was a number of challenges because most entities operated on skeleton staff. So to get extra people like the likes of the TRT, the Highway Patrol, the Flying Squad, to assist one in actually safeguarding this exhibits was a challenge at that time. But that has also bettered from then to now in terms of availability. If I would, for example, have to transport these exhibits now, there is the TRT teams within the different police precincts have been, how can I put it? There were more people allocated to those sections that is able to assist us. So at the time of this specific Aeroton operation, it was a challenge, but it's getting better by the day, Commissioner. Thank you, Commissioner.